now I'm cruising.
Welcome to the Carnival Celebration. This is our stateroom for the week. It's an inside stateroom. It's 14316, and it's actually an adjoining room with our kids. So we're going to show you around this room and what it has to offer. Okay, today the bed is set up as a king, but you can also have it set up as two twin beds if that better suits your needs. On either side of the bed, you'll find a handy reading light as well as a small shelving unit to place things like a book or a phone on. And right under the light, you will see that there's a standard USB port, which is great for charging your electronics. Like most Carnival cabins, right there in the middle of the bed, you're also going to find the light switches, which is very convenient. And on the wall, just off the foot of the bed, is where you'll find the television. Over here is your desk and mirror area that features 4 more USB ports as well as 3 standard US outlets. Just under the desk is your mini fridge. Now the sign on there does say that it is not a fridge, it's a mini bar, but potatoes, it kept our items cold. Under the desk area, you've got this little ottoman type of seat that also has storage inside it. And if you flip the lid over, it becomes a handy tray. Onto the closet area, and this is where you'll find your hair dryer and your safe. And there's a couple of cool things here too. You've got these metal racks that will pull out for easier access to your items, as well as a large pull-out area at the bottom that we found to be very useful for storing and accessing our shoes. The second closet has your clothes hangers, as well as a full-length mirror on the door here. And all of these shelves in here can be stored in the up or down position, so you can customize this space for your specific storage needs. Moving over to the bathroom, and yeah, it's small, but it has some counter space as well as a couple of shelves above and below the sink. And the shower has a glass door, which we much prefer over the curtains on some of the other ships. And of course, there are dispensers for shower gel and shampoo inside the shower. Just outside the bathroom are the main light controls for the room, and we always like to make sure that we have a business card or something similar to put here in the slot so we can keep the room power on. When I put my sail and sign card there, I tend to forget about it and lock myself out. And just a little side note or hack, if you will, there is ample space under these beds to slide your large suitcases under once you've emptied them out. So we suggest doing that because these rooms aren't very big and you'll appreciate the extra space. Thanks for joining us for this tour of Carnival Celebration Inside Stateroom 14316. Please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on new cruise content like this. And as always, remember, life is short and cruising is fun.